Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro is expected to be released on March 10, 2022. Xiaomi's expected price is $522. Xiaomi is working on a Poco X4 that will be known as the Poco X4 Pro. Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro will be the name of the newcomer, which will be a high-end mid-ranger. Let's get into the details of the specification. This gadget has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset to offer it extra power, as well as an octa-core processing to make it incredibly speedy. In addition, the Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro is equipped with an Adreno 619 GPU. The upcoming smartphone will have a 6.67-inch screen with a full HD resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The new Xiaomi Poco X4 will feature an AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display, which is the most recent and well-known for its excellent performance. This smartphone has a RAM capacity of 6GB and 8GB. Internal storage of this smartphone has 128GB and 256GB, and it comes in graphite gray, polar white, and Atlantic blue colors. The Xiaomi X4 Pro will come with a triple camera setup. The handset's main sensor will have 108 megapixels with an f1.9 aperture and a 26mm wide sensor, as well as 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture ultrawide and 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture macro. The Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro's selfie camera will be 16 megapixels with an f2.4 aperture wide. A fingerprint sensor will be included in this future new smartphone to protect your data from loss. The battery of this Poco X4 Pro is 5000 mAh, allowing consumers to use it for a full day. There's also a 67-watt quick battery charger. The Android 11 operating system is installed on this smartphone. In addition, this smartphone supports features like hybrid dual SIM, 5G, 120Hz display, HDR10, microSD-XC slot, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, FM radio, USB Type-C 2.0, USB on the go, NFC, infrared, GPRS, accelerometer, compass, gyro, proximity and 3.5mm audio jack. What do you think about this phone? Let's comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as well as press the bell button for notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.